Introducing Google Wi-Fi, a new kind of system designed to keep up with how we use Wi-Fi today, from playing to streaming to video calling. Here's how it works. You simply replace your existing router with a Google Wi-Fi point, or points if you have a larger home. These points work together with your current modem and internet service to provide fast, seamless Wi-Fi for your whole home. Google Wi-Fi is set up and controlled through a mobile app that gives you a host of features for simple, straightforward access to your network, no matter where you are. Like letting you see which devices are connected at any one time, or giving you parental control. So if it's time for dinner or time for bed, you can give them a little time off. It lets you easily find and share your Wi-Fi password with guests, and even allows you to prioritize a specific device for faster speeds, so the important stuff never gets interrupted. And Network Assist technology works in the background to make sure you always get the fastest possible speeds. It takes care of things like Wi-Fi channel selection. High traffic on the channel you're using can slow down your Wi-Fi speed. Google Wi-Fi constantly monitors to make sure you're on the least congested channel. And when you're moving from room to room, it makes sure you're connected to the closest Wi-Fi point and the strongest, fastest signal. It will even let you know if you can improve Wi-Fi performance by moving a Wi-Fi point to a better location. Designed for your home's complex Wi-Fi needs, yet simple to control. Google Wi-Fi. Home Wi-Fi simply solved.
Now, smart homes, they're nice and they make our lives easier. But what do you do about the appliances that you already own that are not Wi-Fi enabled? Alexa, turn on the ceiling fan.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now.
And that's where the Bond comes in. The remote controls in your home send special signals using radio waves or infrared. The Bond can read, remember, and duplicate these signals. It also connects to your home Wi-Fi. So using your phone, tablet, Amazon Echo, Google Home, whatever you want, you control the Bond controls your appliances, and you'll never need your old remotes again. So, there you have it. You can have a smarter home without spending your child's college education money on new appliances.
Know your environment and protect your home and family with AccuRite Access. AccuRite Access helps you track weather conditions and trends in your specific location and connects to My AccuRite to monitor your environment from any device, anytime. AccuRite Access uploads readings from up to 7 compatible AccuRite devices to the My AccuRite online platform. It helps you make better decisions every day. My AccuRite can send mobile alerts so you can stay on top of changing conditions that need your attention, such as water leaks in the laundry room or basement, rain conditions outside the home, increased mold risk, high winds, and more. AccuRite Access uses a battery backup and internal memory to log up to 12 hours of readings in the event of a power or internet outage. With a compatible outdoor AccuRite device, you can share your weather information with Weather Underground using rapid-fire updates, or view your connected AccuRite devices on the intuitive My AccuRite dashboard using any iPhone, Android smartphone, computer, or tablet with the My AccuRite app. AccuRite Access from My AccuRite helps you know your environment and plan your day with confidence.
No, 무슨 뜻이야?
Good boy. Good boy.
This is LaMetric, highly customizable dashboard that tracks all the key things for you. Everything that matters. Find out about the weather at the right moment and never forget an umbrella. Get notified when that important email arrives. Check stock quotes in real time and assess your benefit. Learn about Twitter mentions and people's opinions. Know the time and subject of the upcoming meeting and never be late. These 3 elegant touch buttons will help you switch between things. LaMetric is easy to install. Plug it in. Put it wherever you like. Use the LaMetric app to connect it to the web via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Set up the clock, weather, calendar, email, Twitter, stock prices, and other information. Select the sound and rules for the data appearance. 3 customization widgets help you connect anything in the web. Add your favorite RSS to get the latest news. Connect if this, then that, and simply enjoy being in touch with what's going on in the Internet.